If you are here because you want to know more about Legendary Marketer, you are in the right place. In this video, I give you an overview and an inside look into the Legendary Marketer system. You maybe know that Legendary Marketer is a training platform for affiliates, but they have a lot more to offer. Over here, it says for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business, doesn't know where to begin. So it's for beginner affiliate marketers. But if you have already started affiliate marketing and you want more knowledge and more tactics and tips, Legendary Marketer is also for you. You will see that Legendary Marketer gives you a lot of training throughout this video, because almost every resource I'm going to show you is a new training on how to do affiliate marketing with different platforms, with different traffic sources, with different offers. So watch this video till the end and learn all there is about Legendary Marketer. This is one of the first connecting points for Legendary Marketer. It's a video from Dave Sharpe, and he explains you a little bit more about the program and about the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, because they show you how to build your business in 15 days. This program is put together by a guy named Dave Sharpe. To see that he is legit, I want to show you this article. This one is from Forbes, and he's an 8-figure earner. Or over here on entrepreneur.com for branding tips from Gary Vee and other entrepreneurs. So here's Gary Vee, and the second tip is from Dave Sharpe. If you join Legendary Marketer, you will start with the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. So this is a 15-day challenge. See it over here. Every day you have a video, a trainings video. This is about 50 minutes and assignments to complete. So here's the quiz, and you get your own business plan advisor, and he will help you if you get stuck over here. And to be honest, he will also push you a little bit to buy the blueprints. So this Business Builder Challenge is $7 normally. I think right at the moment you can get it for $1. And the 5th day is one of the most important days. There you get a business plan class. So they will help you develop your business plan. And if you want to know more about these blueprints, I will cover them in this video, so hang on. If you already know how to start an online business and the basics, the 15 days will be easy. If you have never done something online, this is life-changing. This is really eye-opening, and they help you with everything. You can always talk with your business plan advisor, or there's a Facebook group, Legendary Marketer. If you need help, just write. There's a large community. There are about almost 50,000 members in this group, and they have the YouTube channel. Every weekday there's a Wake Up Legendary show. The show is about an hour, and in this show they interview successful affiliates and how they got there. So if you need help, you have the business plan advisor, you have the Facebook group, and you can watch the Wake Up Legendary show. When you're through this challenge, you decide if you want the blueprints or not, and you can decide if you want to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. If you join the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, there are a few other products you can join. The Marketers Club is once a week training about marketing, omni-branding formula, how to build your brand, Traffic University, how to get people to see your offers, affiliate marketing ebook, and the 15-second free leads is a TikTok training. And if you watch over here, you see Blueprint Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint. And you see over here the business blueprint for affiliate marketing. So this is an old one. You see, this program is up to date. If there's something new in the affiliate marketing space or in any of these spaces, they will update it. You see it when I show you the overview about the blueprints. Now there's TikTok, there is Pinterest and Instagram. The blueprints are expensive and they are not for everyone. So they cost $2,500. But you get all the 4 blueprints, you get a weekly live training, and you get the Decade in a Day training. It's 1 day where you learn everything about affiliate marketing, how to set up your campaign, how to drive traffic, how to make ads, and so on. That's the whole day, and they give you some done for you funnels so you can implement that right away. And we're just clicking through, so this start here. Over here it's welcome to the blueprints, and you can register for the Decade in a Day workshop. You get the 4 blueprints, and you get done for you campaigns. I think there are more than 4 in the Decade in a Day, so they are always updating them as well. You get the $1 Million Marketer Mindset, and there's another Facebook group just with the people that have bought these blueprints for the Decade in a Day. Then the live training, register, you don't have to, you can just watch them. You see every week they do a new training. So over here, how to create viral content. Facebook Reels is hot at the moment, so they cover it in this training, and this one is included in the blueprints. And if you search something, for example, you want ads, you see testing Facebook ads, split testing, how to run paid ads. So if you search something, it's over here. If you want to learn about TikTok, there are videos over here, or just how to create viral content for any platform, there's everything over here. Just watch them. The trainings are about 1 hour. So to the affiliate marketing blueprint, and now you see that they are up to date. So they have how affiliate marketing works. It's the basics, always the same affiliate marketing. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the basics, and then it's about Facebook. So how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and there are a few basics as well. And you get a whole copywriter's playbook, so how to write better copy. This is with the affiliate marketing, and I just click on one, TikTok funnel. You see, this is 12-minute course on how to do it. But this was just the strategy, then how to set up everything. So everything is explained step by step. Then we have the digital products, how to make money with digital products if you want to sell your own, events and mastermind, if you want to make your own events, and coaching and consulting. The biggest blueprint is the affiliate marketing blueprint. We are now in the done for you campaigns for Decade in a Day, because I want to show you Legendary Marketer is not just about promoting their program. Yes, you can promote their program and the products, and you can earn high commissions from $1,000 and more, but they teach you how to do affiliate marketing with every product. So in the Decade in a Day, for example, this ultimate small shop is for woodworking. This one is, I think it's for attracting women, I don't know. And you get everything over here, so Facebook images, maybe they will show you more. Yeah, it's something with relationship, I don't know. Then they have the Slim Belly Fix, this is weight loss. Reading Heat Start is for children to read. Lepitox, I think, is also weight loss. This one is for the survival niche. This one is dog training. This one is for the DIY and backyard stuff, and baby sleep miracles. So you see, you get funnels and you can import them, and most of the stuff is done for you. If you're not sure if Legendary Marketer is for you, watch this video next. In this video, my mentor Brian Brewer does also a Legendary Marketer review.